I've had a few people on here basically tell me in their own nice words that I need to stick to my funny videos about my husband. Stop posting outfit videos, stop posting other kind of videos, and only stick to my niche. Niche. However you say that word. So I'm just gonna let this clock run out and I'm gonna eat this salad because I don't have a fucking niche or niche. I post what I want on the internet because I feel like it. There's a dog barking in the background. I'm eating a chopped salad and I'm drinking an energy drink. Please stop telling other grown adults what they should and should not do. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my salad. All right. Tell your dad I love him. Bye.